Good morning, traders. It's Friday, May 22nd at 4:18 a.m. All right, we've got two stocks for you today to trade. We've got RGTI and we've got IONQ. Let's look at the dark pool prints in the last month. There's lots of prints here, 600K, 800K. Look at all of these, this stack right here. So starting back here, April 30th, we have increasing volume breaking above. There's some prints here. I think, yeah, there's a sneaky one here, actually, April 28th. We broke above. It looks like they added to their position. Came up more prints here, but we pulled back, tagged a print, breaking above here. Now, I bought a call debit spread for June, which is the 22-23 call debit spread. And so this actually pulled back to the print here, and then we started breaking it up. So we held this again. So what happens is the institutions will pull back to buy more, get retail into shorting it, and scoop up those shares. And now we're off to the races. Apparently the US government is investing in quantum computing and things like that. But anyway, we're off to the races here. Look at the volume yesterday on this one, and a 4.1 million share trade yesterday, and off to the races again. So I think this one might go much higher. So we'll see. I'll probably take some profit today on that. We'll see. So on the left hand side, let's look at the intraday. We've got the 4 and the 8 exponential moving average just riding through here. There's no reason to get out of this at the moment, but we need to get above 24.55 here. This is the next resistance, so we want to be bullish above 24.60, target 25, 25.50, 26, 26.47 is a cam, 27, 27.50, 28 and a quarter. Now I've broken it up into the 50-cent levels here. This one has an ATR of $1.80. We're already up 2.19, so the 50-cent levels are psychological levels, and the dollar levels too as well. So if you're scalping this, make sure you're taking a bit of profit along the way. Never hurts to do that. We're going to be bearish below 23. Let's get below here. That's a 50 simple, and we've got this sitting right here. We have to break below this low. Target 22.72, 22.38, 22.04 is a retracement to this 4 million. And you can see how here into the close we broke above that print and just kept going. So we got 21.70, 21.36, 21.02, and 20.85. So if we come down here, this is massive, massive support. We do have this low right here, about 21.27. But this is a 200 exponential, 200 simple, and a 800K print all in this area here. I would expect this would probably be support as far as institutions are concerned. Okay, let's go ahead and look at IONQ. This is a similar one. Now, we've got prints here. Look at this, 600K, 500K, and we've got this block of prints. And so starting back here, April 28th, like there's always lots of dark pool prints anyway, but just going back the month to see what's happening. We got a print moving back, breaking above there, and we've got more prints. This is fantastic for trading, especially day trading. Open, test the print on the downside, and on the intraday, if you can imagine this, test the print and start breaking above print, cam, something like that, increasing volume. That's your entry. We got another print up here, 1 million, which this pulled back to test prints again, and then we came up more prints, back to test the prints, and then up. So when we're having this sideways motion like this, when you see this with increasing volume moving up, testing these prints all the time, those are great entries as well. I didn't take this trade because the options were terrible on it. So anyway, this one seems to be moving up a little bit, and we're above all of the prints right now. So let's see what actually happens. We are going to be bullish above 60.25. Oh, there it is. 60.25. All right. If you can get in around 60.25, you can see how this cam is really important, right? This $0.25 level. Then what we'll do is we'll go 60.40 or 60.50 if this doesn't just the next level. Make sure it's making a new high, and this is support. So maybe 60.40 if we can break above that. Anyway, I've written down 60.25. We're about there now. I was looking at it around here, and so I was like, okay, but now it's doing that. So just the next level up. The 60.87 is the next one. Then we've got 61.50. Then we've got 62.03. Then 62.84 is a cam. 64.25 and 65.17 is R2. Now I went that high. The ATR on this one is $4.78. We're already up $1.32. So this one can move, yeah, $4 a day on that. On the downside, we're going to be bearish below 58.87. Look at this print here, 700K print. This is a wall right now because going into the close, we were holding this print and we've moved up. So we need to break below that. And then our target will be 58.50, 58.23 is a cam, 57.98 is the pivot, 57.57 is a cam, and 57.47 is the 700K print. And I stopped here. I've got my 200 exponential, 200 simple here, and this is the low. So like I had mentioned on the daily, where you could come down, tag a print, and start moving up, this is exactly what I'm talking about. See this 57.47 here, coming back, tagging the print, massive volume, rejecting, coming back, higher low, moving up, right? So you see something like this, massive volume and being rejected, can be a great entry point to go long. Although this is post-market, no, this is 2:55 in the afternoon. So yeah, that's a decent entry as well, just FYI. Okay, there you have it. Those are your 2 trade setups for today. So please like, share, subscribe to our weekly newsletter, mobyticktrading.com/weekly-report, and first name, email address, and you'll get the weekly newsletter, which we review the dark pool trades for the week. For the previous newsletter, these are swing trades. You have 13 stocks, including the SPY-Q IWM analysis as well. You get bullish and bearish entries, no bias. And we'll see, this is, I think, week 8 coming up, and we've been doing quite well on those. All right, happy trading, everyone. And we'll see you Monday with all new trade setups. Take care. MobyTick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.